A plant soil moisture meter is a useful tool to allow you to learn how to get the soil moisture levels right for different plants. ZZ Plant Moisture Meter Level, how to use it. The ZZ Plant Moisture Meter Level is simple and easy to use. Aside from being quite affordable, these electronic gadgets are also quite handy for gardeners and homeowners. To use it, all you have to do is to pop the water meter sensor into the soil, at least to a 1/3 depth of the plant pot. After just a few minutes, you'll see the moisture level reading on the display screen. 40 to 50% humidity levels are ideal for indoor ZZ plants as it mimics their native environment. If your ZZ plant is growing in a very deep pot or landscape plant bed in the garden, it is advisable to push the moisture meter sensor into the soil to cover its full length. When to water ZZ plant moisture meter. These hardy plants are not very demanding and usually grow well in high and low humidity levels. However, moderate humidity is best. ZZ plants should be watered when the moisture meter reading is sitting between the moist and dry indicators. A moisture level of 3 or 4 on your meter is a great indication to quench your plant's thirst. Best soil moisture meter. Here's a list of the soil moisture meters that perform the best. The efficient ECOWITT soil moisture tester. This device works well for houseplants and garden plants as it delivers accurate readings in minimal time. The IPPINKA Sustee Aquameter. This device is a simple moisture meter that offers easy use. It comes with sensors that change color to indicate when it's time to water your plants. The affordable XLUX soil moisture meter. This gadget is easy to use and light on the pockets, which is a win-win. The Sustee soil meter. Providing a snapshot of light and soil conditions, this soil meter has multiple sensors, which is value for your money. The Netro Whisperer. This durable device is versatile and perfect for outdoor use. It is efficient and allows for moisture, sun exposure, and temperature readings, which is a win. How do different soil types affect soil moisture? When considering soil moisture, we need to consider the type of soil we have and how this soil works. Loam. A good well-developed loam soil is quite absorbent and can tolerate brief periods of overwatering. Due to its ability to absorb water and hold this water, it can also balance water levels better during patches of mild drought. Loam does not develop a crust when it gets dry, so as soon as it gets watered, the water sinks into the soil. Sand. Sand dries quickly. If you pour water on it, the water just sinks in and runs through the sand. This makes these soils quite difficult to keep moist. It also makes the soils susceptible to overwatering. If you water sand too much, you just wash all the nutrients out of the soil, and this will cause your plants to be nutrient deficient. Clay. Clay soil is fiddly soil. If you let it get dry, it will form a crust, and this crust will inhibit water from getting into the soil to moisten it again. With a soil moisture meter, you can easily learn how to keep your clay soil in the moist range, but not let it get wet or dry. How to tell if a soil moisture meter is any good. The functions that a soil moisture meter can perform vaguely correlate to its price. These entry-level meters are relatively accurate on soil moisture and light. If you want a more robust meter, try the soil moisture sensor. You can buy a monitor for it, and then insert the moisture meter. You can also buy the moisture meter and pair it with the app they supply and use your smartphone. These sorts of units tend to provide a slightly more accurate measure of temperature. It will take a bit of self-optimization to make sure you are actually getting a real result. Remember that by adding nutrients, compost, organic fertilizers, manure, mulch, and earthworms, your soil becomes more and more resilient. You will see that a very wet loam, or a dry loam, probably still has healthier plants than moist sand or clay. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.